Good morning to all. My name is Monica. I am studying 4th standard in MKN Primary School. Today topic is states and capitals. Andhra Pradesh, Amaravati, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Dispur, Bihar, Patna, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Goa, Panaji, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Karnataka, Bengaluru, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, West Bengal, Kolkata, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Uttarakhand, Dehradun, Andhra Pradesh, Lucknow, Haryana, Chandigarh, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Telangana, Hyderabad, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mizoram, Aizawl, Nagaland, Kohima, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Rajasthan, Jaipur. Thank you.